Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn perfect tense. As you know, tense are of four kinds: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. We have already learned simple tense and continuous tense. Today we are going to learn perfect tense. And in perfect tense, first of all we see present perfect tense. Remember one thing: identifying the sentence is very necessary for us. If one cannot able to identify a sentence which is in that particular tense, we can't go ahead. So first of all, we have to know the technique how we can identify the sentence. I said you earlier, if a sentence ends with ता है, ती है, ते है, तो है, that will be in simple present tense. And रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूं, present perfect, present continuous. गया, खाया, आया, सोया, या, ई, ऊ, ए, सिंपल पास्ट. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. जाएंगे, खाएंगे, मैं बाजार जाऊंगा, वे लोग खाना खाएंगे, सिंपल फ्यूचर. वे लोग खाना खाते रहे हैं, खाते रहे होंगे, तुम पढ़ते रहे होगे, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस. टुडे we see present perfect. First of all, how can we identify a sentence either is in present perfect or past perfect or future perfect? So, for present perfect, remember one thing: a sentence ends with चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, चुका हूं, चुके हैं, चुकी है, और या है, ई है, ये हैं. That's all are in present perfect tense. For example, मैं जा चुका हूं, वे लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, वह गा चुकी है, राम ने रोटी खाई है, राम ने रोटी खाई है. In last we found ई है. मोहन ने आम खाया है, इन लास्ट या है. सो a sentence ends with चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, या है, ई है, That's all are in present perfect tense. And the structure of present perfect tense, I mean, when we are going to change, when we are going to translate a given sentence into present perfect tense, we have remember the structure of present perfect tense, and that is subject plus has have. Has have is helping verb here, auxiliary verb, and then main verb, and then object. Subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. Third form of verb: go, went, gone, going, goes. That's are the form of verbs. Go simple form, went second form, gone third form, going fourth form, and after all goes fifth form. So you have to apply here third form. Go, went, gone. Now look at some examples. He has gone to Patna. He has gone to Patna. वह पटना गया है. Now, has and have. Has and have. Only two helping verbs applied in present perfect tense. Has is used only with the third person of singular number. Has is used only with the singular number of third person. I repeat again and again. You will have to remember person. Without person, you can't able to understand tense in proper way. So, has is used only with the singular number of third person. I mean, he, she, it, and name. And for rest, जो बच गए, I mean, I, we, they, you, or plural forms, we use have. Now, when we are going to convert affirmative sentence into interrogative or negative, we use have not, has not. In negative sentence, this is very easy. He has gone to Patna. वह पटना गया है. He has not gone to Patna. वह पटना नहीं गया है. But in interrogative, I have told you earlier, you have to put out helping verb outside the sentence, means you have to begin your sentence with helping verb. Have you gone to Patna? Have you gone to Patna? क्या तुम पटना गए हो? क्या तुम पटना गए हो? Have you eaten a mango? क्या तुम आम खाया? तुमने आम खाया है? क्या तुमने आम खाया है? Has she written a book? क्या उसने एक किताब लिखी है? But in interrogative or negative, interrogative, negative with same sentence, वह पटना नहीं गया है. Have, sorry, क्या वो पटना नहीं गया? Had he not gone to Patna? Had he not gone to Patna? I explain once more way how can we make interrogative and negative. This is applicable for all sentences, all sentences in interrogative and negative. Look here. He has gone to Patna. वह पटना गया है. Has he not gone to Patna? वह पटना नहीं गया है. Has he not gone to Patna? वह पटना नहीं गया है. We can write this sentence in another way, but you have to use short form, contracted form, abbreviated form of negative verb. Here has he not gone to Patna? This is true. But if you want to take not outside the subject, you have to use short form of negative verb. Short form of negative verb means abbreviated form, contracted form. Hasn't he gone to Patna? Hasn't he gone to Patna? Here we write here has not. No. Has not. We cannot use here has not. Hasn't. Short form. Or simply we use had he not. I hope you will understand what I am saying. I once again repeat. Either you write had he not, had he not, had he not, or hasn't he. Never write has not he gone to Patna. Never write. Has not he gone to Patna? Never write. Either has not he or hasn't he gone. Hasn't. Now, in next class, we will learn past perfect as well as future perfect. Thank you.